Hola, soy J Balvin, and I'm dropping my McDonald's order. Let go. Hey, Big Mac.
Tornado emergency for the greater New York City metropolitan area. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Sullivan County in southeastern New York, Orange County in southeastern New York, and northwestern Rockland County in southeastern New York until 10:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Monticello, or near Rock Hill, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the greater New York City metropolitan area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, extremely violent tornado. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. You could be killed if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Flying debris may be deadly for those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Wurtsboro, Forestburg, Otisville, Middletown, Scotchtown, Goshen, Washingtonville, Chester, Woodbury, Monroe, Harriman, and Harriman State Park. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.